Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. First thing I'm going to point out is this beautiful hull color in rascal blue. As we continue around to the back of the boat, you'll see the Scout white Yamaha 200s that have the matching Yamaha with the rascal blue. Really looks awesome, gives the Scout even a better look than it normally has. As we continue up into the boat, fold down transom area gives you access for however your dock is set up. You can dock from either side of the boat. Right now we're set up as entertainment with all the seats folded down. Fit a lot of people, entertain, hang out, dinner cruises, fireworks, all that. This is perfectly set up for that, to have a lot of people in the cockpit. And then easily, these seats are gonna fold away. So when you're going out fishing with your buddies, everything folds away and you're gonna get a nice open cockpit area. Now we're completely wide open. You got fish boxes in the floor, easy access to the bilge, and that nice open cockpit gives you a lot of space. Nice high bolsters with padding all the way around for leaning on in comfort. As we continue forward up to the helm, this boat's equipped with optimist steering. Also gives you the option to adding a joystick to it later if that's something that you wanted to do. Here at the helm area, nice 360 panoramic views, very easy for the captain to see. Also has a full enclosure, really extends that season, especially for us up here in the Northeast. Gives you that chance to be out of some of the weather that we get later into the winter months. Nice large head area, freshwater sink. As we move forward, one of the great features of this boat, nice and easy, got a cooler right here, table set up, you can sit up here, enjoy some dinner. You know, if you're out again for a dinner cruise, kind of hanging out, some cocktails, really gives you that nice option for that, and then it just stows away very simply. Another thing I'll point out while we're up here, JL audio speakers really gives you that premium sound. Again, when you're out entertainment, hanging out with friends, just gives you that awesome experience. Continue forward, you got a through stem stainless windlass, foot pedals here for the controls as well as at the helm station. Thank you for taking that walkthrough of the 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. Again, my name is Bill Herr at MarineMax in Somers Point. You can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you.